In this video, you're going to learn how to use the exercise search functions inside Rehab Guru's exercise library. Being really quick at finding the exact exercise you're looking for is a key area of improving your workflow. So let's get into it. First, let's get to the right place. Inside your Rehab Guru account, head to the Creator section and select the Exercise tab to open the exercise library. Once you're there, here's a quick overview of what you're working with. At the top, you have a text search bar. On the left, you can choose which collection you're searching within. For example, the full Rehab Guru library, your favorites, or any custom exercises you've created. And beneath that, running down the left-hand side, you've got a set of exercise filters. These three areas, search, collection, and filters, can be used individually or in any combination to narrow down the library and surface exactly the exercises you need. To start a keyword search, you can click directly in the search bar at the top of the page. Let's say you type in squat. That's going to return a large set of results, potentially hundreds, because squat is quite a broad term. The more specific your search term, the more refined your results will be. A vague term like leg will return an even larger pool, whereas something more detailed will get you closer right away. So how do we cut down a large result set quickly? The answer is to combine your text search with filters. In this example, let's stick with squat in the search bar. Over on the left-hand side, I'll select barbell under the equipment filter. Now I can see all squat exercises that use a barbell. Still quite a few, but already much more manageable. From there, I can get even more specific in the search bar. Typing squat jump or split squat will bring the number down further. You might get it down to around 10 results, which is very easy to work through. Each active filter appears in the top right of the screen, so you can always see exactly what's being applied. When you're ready to start fresh, you have a couple of options. You can clear your text search by clicking the X cross icon in the search bar. For filters, you can remove them individually by clicking the X next to each one, or you can wipe them all at once with the red clear button. You don't always need to use the search bar at all. Sometimes browsing by filters alone is the best approach, especially when you're looking for ideas within a specific category rather than a named exercise. Here's an example. Let's say you have a patient who has sprained their ankle and you're looking for appropriate exercises, but you're not sure exactly what name to search for. Instead of using the text bar, let's go straight to the filters. First, I'll select foot and ankle under the joint filter. Then I'll choose balance and proprioception under the exercise aim filter. Already the library has narrowed down to relevant exercises, but we can still see quite a few, and some of them are quite challenging. So let's add one more filter. Under difficulty, I'll tick easy. Now we're looking at only the easy foot and ankle balance exercises, a much more focused list. If I want to change the difficulty level, I simply remove the easy filter by clicking its X and select medium instead. It's as flexible as you need it to be. The available filter categories include difficulty, equipment, movement direction, exercise aim, muscle group, and joint. Each filter option shows a green number alongside it so you can see exactly how many exercises are available before you even click it. One of the best strategies for getting to the right exercise quickly is to adopt the mindset of, how can I narrow down 5,000 exercises as fast as possible? One of the most powerful filters for doing that is equipment. Ask yourself, does this exercise use a specific piece of equipment like a chair? If yes, toggle that icon. Everything that doesn't use a chair is immediately dismissed. From there, think about whether the exercise has any other defining features. Does it target a specific direction of movement, an exercise aim, or a muscle group? Add those in next. And finally, drop in a text search to do the finishing touches and get really specific. Once you've found something that looks promising, click on the exercise to open a pop-up window. This gives you detailed images and, where available, a video, so you can confirm it's exactly the right exercise before adding it to your program. When you're happy, click the plus button next to the exercise to add it to your collection basket. These selected exercises are saved and ready for you to use in program creation. If you find exercises you come back to regularly, favorite them so they're even quicker to find in the future. To do this, simply mark an exercise as a favorite when viewing it. Going forward, you can switch your collection on the left to favorites, and you'll only see the exercises you've saved there. You can also combine the favorites collection with a keyword search or additional filters, so you're searching within your own curated shortlist. If you've created any of your own custom exercises, those will appear as their own separate collection in the same panel, alongside the full library and your favorites. To get back to the full exercise library at any time, click the X icons to clear your active searches and filters, and make sure the Rehab Guru exercises collection is selected on the left. That will show you every exercise available in the library. So that's how to use the exercise search functions in Rehab Guru, combining keyword search, collection selection, and filters to cut through thousands of exercises and find exactly what you need in seconds. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to use the exercise palette to further streamline your workflow. See you there.